college. I did my bachelor's from the college in 2017, and while I was doing my master's, I got placed after the first year in Ernst& Young, one of the big four audit firms. It's been 2 years with the firm working as an audit assistant, and they've given me a very good experience. And it's all because of the efforts of the placement cell and the teachers involved. Kudos to the team of the placement cell and the teachers who are working so hard to do all of this for us. Thank you.
This is Manjot Kaur, currently an operations executive in automation testing at Infosys. I joined Infosys last year in 2019, right after the completion of my graduation from MCM DAV College with bachelor's majoring in science. During the final year of our college, the placement cell introduced us to a whole new environment with recruitment drives in collaboration with world-renowned MNCs, high-end schools, airlines, etc. With the support of the faculty here, along with the platforms provided by our college and the mentoring sessions hosted by them as to what we really deserve from our education, we all landed up at great institutions with our dream jobs. I'm heartily thankful to my college for such a wonderfully enriching experience and for giving me such a good platform to kickstart my career right after my graduation. Thank you.
My name is Shana Mahajan and I've done my graduation in BBA, batch 2016-2019. I've been working as a customer relationship officer with Tommy Hilfiger past 1 year in Delhi Vasant Kunj. The placement cell has a great importance in getting the company that we always wish to work with. They have groomed us, they have made us all ready and prepared with the skills that we were required in joining the company that we want to. And because of their help and because of their efforts, we have joined the company that we always dreamt of. Thank you so much.
My name is Ribha Sood and I am working for the editorial department of Hindustan Times in Mohali. I joined Hindustan Times in April 2018 when I got to know about the opportunity from the placement cell of MCM DAV College. I was lucky enough to get a job even before completing my course. I was studying postgraduate diploma in mass communication, which I completed in May 2018. I have studied in MCM for 6 years. I have completed my graduation, post-graduation in English and diploma in mass communication from the same institution. I must say that the placement cell of MCM DAV College is amazing as it provides lots of opportunities for freshers to make a great start in their career. I am thankful to my college for giving me such a golden opportunity and helping me settle in my career.
Hello everyone, I am Pallavi and I have completed my graduation from MCM DAV Chandigarh. I am currently placed in HCL and I have initially been placed in a multinational corporation, that's Infosys, and it's only because of the MCM's placement cell that I got this opportunity and provided me the platform to perform in this field with excellence, and it gave me confidence. They also counseled me. They make sure that every student gets placed in a nice organization. I would like to extend my gratitude towards them because without them it wouldn't have been possible for me to be here. And it's like a dream for everybody to start their career with the reputed organization, and MCM has greatly worked on that. And thank you my mentors and faculty and the placement cell. Thank you so much.
My name is Komal and I currently work as an operations executive in Infosys. So I joined Infosys after completing my graduation in BSc Non-Medical from MCM DAV. I got introduced to this lovely opportunity by the placement cell, who took us to Chitkara University for an online test and a personal interview, after clearing which I received my offer letter from the company and I joined them back in July 2018. It's been 2 years so far, and I would like to wish you guys best of luck for your careers.